Hi everyone, Benjamin Bryant here. Welcome to Centara Grand Lagoon in the Maldives. I'm going to take you on a tour of this lovely beach villa with a pool now. As you can see, really nice big area of beach, great length of pool here, and you're directly on the beach, so access is clearly very easy. Loads of nice seating options here. You've got the sun loungers, you have the day bed over here. You can obviously sit in the pool as well because it's got one of those sunken seats in there. It's a jacuzzi pool. You can put the bubbles on with that button there. And then as we step in, the way this sliding door opens is really nice. So it pulls all the way back from here across the whole entire face of the villa, exposing the whole beach. And from here, you've got privacy either side. So it's really nice to kind of bring the outdoors in. And as you come on through, we have the bed in the middle, a seat at the end of the bed, like a sofa. And then we have, again, all of the movement around the back here and space which links you through to the bathroom. So, talking about the bathroom, let's have a look in here now. Tucked away at the back of the villa, you have the bathroom. So a nice big walk-in shower here with two different options, a rainfall and a side one. Bath central here, so you can look out there and see the sky and the palm trees. Dual basins, and then through here is the WC with a like pebble detailing along there. And then here's like a dressing area, kind of got a spa vibe to it. And in here are your wardrobes, built-in wardrobes, double there. So you've also got hanging space. They give you flip-flops and they give you slipper things to wear inside as well. So I'm going to come back around here. And as we exit the villa, I'll show you the door. That's the front door that brings you in. As you come around, take a look over here where the TV is. So a big TV that pulls out from the wall. There's a desk area here as well, and minibar, fridge. It's all inclusive, so you can just grab a beer, soft drink. There's wine, teas, coffees, espresso machine, snacks, everything. And the restaurants here are really good. Loads of different options. We've enjoyed it. It's fairly near to Malé, the international airport. So you've got to be careful that, you know, if you're worried about potential views in the distance, you can see Malé. There's a little bit more construction going on here as well because they're reclaiming some islands. So just to be aware, that might suit some people because the transfer is not so long, and other people it might not work for. So yeah, there's a bit of information there for you, but it's brand new, run by a big Thai hotel group, really well supplied, designed and serviced as well. So yeah, you won't be disappointed from that side of things. And lastly, there is this cool hammock that floats within the palm trees and within the vegetation. Okay, so this is the view on a sunny day, and earlier in the day, that's a gorgeous blue, and there's lots of nice beaches around to enjoy. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the tour. Again, there's some other videos around here of other resorts and villas you might be interested in, and do pop a question down below in the comments if you've got a question for me, and our team will help you, and website's down there as well. So see you on the next one.